Alright, lie down on your back, bend the knees, bring the heel close to the hip, and simple crunches. Everybody know about it and very useful, right? So simply you're gonna come up and down. Make sure your neck should not hurt. So I'm gazing my attention on one point. This is the same thing what you can do as well. So as many rounds as you can try with this one. And let's move towards the next step. Here bring the knee to the side and try to do the full sit up now. Inhaling, coming up, exhaling, going down. Suppose if you unable to do this one, make sure you don't give up. You can do any variation or you can continue with the previous step also. When you're doing a rotation of a single step, you can take a break in between. As many rounds as you can do with this. When you will do the last one, you can hold for a while either here, or if you feel comfortable you can go down. Let's move toward the third step, which is your boat pose. Here you need to lift your heel off the ground and your hands in front of you. If you are unable to hold it here, you can keep your hand on the floor also. Moving towards the next one, in and out in boat pose. Here also you should do the variation according to your body. So here, if it is difficult to balance, keep your hand on the floor nearby your hip. So giving up is not the option, yeah, but doing the variation is the option. Go to another step, which is your heel tap. So position is same, it's just that I will try to move side to side, which is for obliques. This one you're gonna love it because it is so easy to do it. And yeah, please make sure your neck has to be relaxed, especially for those people who have cervical. Alright, now you're gonna roll back, sit, and let's do the Russian twist, which is bringing your elbows side to side. So here, if you're not able to do this one, what you gonna do? You can bring your feet on the floor here, or you can bring your one leg down, one is up off the ground, and same with the other side. Roll back. I can feel my stomach. Alright, now we are going to the reverse crunches for the lower abdomen. So here I'm trying to lift my hip up off the ground this time, and then straightening my legs. If you don't want to keep your legs straight, you just simply lift your hip up and down, lift your hip up and down. That's the variation what you can do. Hold here for a while, feel your stomach, and then slowly release it. I'm giving the massage to my stomach in between. Alright, next step is you're going to keep your feet up towards the ceiling. I am bringing my head up towards the ceiling as well, but if you don't want to do this, if it is difficult, you can keep your head down and simply crisscross. You can try. So 2 more sit-ups, and I want to relax my back. So how you can relax? You can relax in the bridge pose, which is the reverse practice. So in the bridge pose, you just need to lift your hip up, back up, stomach up, that's it. As higher as you can. Now slowly bring it down and hug your legs. Now let's move to the another one, which is bicycle crunches. So here what you have to do, you need to keep your elbow towards the knee, opposite knee, and same on the other side. That's it. Make sure your breath has to be normal. Sorry. Alright, hug your leg for a while now. We will practice our rolling now. So roll and try to come up in the squat position and roll back. This gonna give the little bit relaxation to your body. If you are unable to lift up completely, you could take a hand support in the beginning. So see, I'm giving every variation. If still not able to do this one, you can skip this one and just simply hug and stay there for a while. Alright, now this was our last step. Thank you so much.